Yes, I'm Sultan, and we have a special guest today. We're playing Rain World with Abdul and this fat German named Colin. Yes. So we're just having fun. Hope you stick enjoy. Anyways, yeah. Enjoy the video. Ready? 3, 2, 1, uno, dos, tres. Let's go.
Let's go.
Wait, why am I the girl color?
Oh!
Oh shit!
Oh, by the way.
Kill me!
Oh yeah, I
Wait,
forgot.
wait.
It's arena, so it's a 1v1v1.
Oh.
Survive the longest or kill the most enemies. Abdul. Oh! Oh!
You're dead, Abdul. Oh!
What? How'd he dodge that?
Oh!
Get over here, Abdul. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Not gonna run away forever.
Oh, I think you can.
Abdul, get back here! It's a gladiators arena.
Oh, run!
How do you punch?
Watch out, guys! I got a gravity bomb. Gravity bomb, go! This cool mask I got, boys. Or like, oh!
God.
Abdul, you're the last one remaining. Get the shelter before rain. Oh, careful, there's acid, boys. Try not to fall down. Oh!
Yeah. Oh, that's what you get.
Oh, you got
what you
tranquilized.
get.
You got tranquilized, bitch.
Oh.
You got tranquilized.
Help me, sir.
Oh, you bitch. How dare you throw rocks at me? I'll kill you.
Yes.
God damn it. Got cornered.
Yes.
Fuck!
Colin, get out of that maze, Colin. It's gonna rain soon.
This thing.
Colin, get out of there.
Yeah, the world is gonna get rained on.
Turning. Ah!
Stop.
Oh, it's a albino vulture. It's white. Help me! Help me! Someone help!
Oh, why would we help you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm dead. Get to shelter, Colin. It's gonna rain. Run, boy, run.
It's gonna turn into a rain world.
No, Colin.
Shelter.
It's up there. You just. Uh-oh. Rest in peace.
Why didn't it let me go up?
Because you fell.
Just stay in the tubes.
It's about points,
Oh
boys.
wow, who would have thought?
No, it's about collecting points. So, like, kill as many things, eat as many things. No! No! What? Abdul!
Come on.
Got killed by monkeys, bro. Absolute mayhem.
Wow, you
God.
can't say that so fun.
Whoa, but it's factual. They're monkeys.
Got killed by what, Sultan?
Monkeys! Oh my god. Okay, no pity then, huh? I'm coming for you, Colin. I'm coming for you, bitch.
What? Why?
Yeah.
What about the time when Abdul was like,
What? No, teaming! Teaming! You fucking dust! Ah! No!
oh!
I jumped in it, Abdul! No! Jump, skip, you know. I don't know. There's a lot of movement. Hello.
Oh yeah, because it's not a tutorial. They just
No!
expect you to know every control and button.
No. Oh shit!
hello? Oh,
You help, Colin?
man.
I'll help you with the spider situation. Oh! Oh god, this is a
Why
maze.
did I go up?
Oh god, this is
Oh,
a
this
maze.
is so annoying. Oh, this is actually annoying.
Ah, fucking monkey man! Stupid monkey! No! No! I swear to god, these monkeys.
So Tom,
No!
I will not accept that kind of behavior.
You got me back!
Get wrecked, Sultan.
Bro! Colin, find you.
Go!
Go up, Colin, go up, and then to the right. No, wrong way, down. No, Colin,
The
wrong
white
way.
boxes, the white boxes, the white
No, Colin.
Then like one.
No!
Yes.
No! Uh-oh, all the weapons are in the middle, but there's enemies in the middle.
Ah.
What shall I do?
Ah, yeah. Bitch. Die.
What are you, the Joker?
Here, no!
Wait, where's the boxes? Where?
It's up, it's up, it's up, it's up, it's
Where's
up.
the boxes?
They're all the way up, they're all the way up, they're all the way up. Uh-oh, water. Colin, this is where we shine. Oh, no, why'd you stun me?
Colin.
Bomb? Bomb? Fuck. What? Okay, I'm gonna go underwater. Oh, yeah.
Colin, team up.
What? No! Colin,
You bitch-ass
I will
motherfucker!
there's lizards down there, Colin.
Hey man, that's how the caves survive. The cavemen.
There's lizards down there, Colin.